Welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be trading and I'm going to be showing you guys how I trade and how I hopefully can make something of myself, and also show you guys that my skills, and hopefully that this channel grows. I really want to gain a reputation at least. Okay, so first things first, what currency I'm trading? S&P 500. Second thing, what's my strategy? The 30-minute open range breakout. So why I use S&P 500 is more of a it's more volatile. Of course there are more volatile ones like gold, XAUUSD, and like EURUSD, all that. But I prefer S&P 500 because previously in my previous account I actually was profitable, but then I started to revenge trade and all that, and I lost everything. But this is gonna be a new thing. I'm going to be tracking down every single thing, every single trade. And although I actually traded yesterday, I didn't get a chance to record. So I went from $600 to $561. I would show my I can show if I can. Let me just let me pull out my FX book. Hopefully I can sign in back to my account so I can show you. Yeah, so these two, they were absolutely blown. Oh, the demo account, by the way. But this one is still okay. Yeah, it still said that it's like I want to like turn this off, but I want to delete this shit, but I can't delete it. I can't really delete it, so it's alright. So yeah, it didn't say like how many trades I even did. Oh. Oh hell no, I'm not doing this, man. Okay, where is the... Yeah, so there's no like track records yet, but this is the account I'm using. It's a bonus account, so okay, so let's get back to this. I will cut to the next clip when the New York session opens. But in the meantime, before I do that, I want to explain what is going on in my chart right here. So currently price is in a downtrend from the forward and the daily time frame. You don't really need to see it, but I'll just show you anyways. Oh shit. So yeah, it's in a downtrend. It's not really in a downtrend, but it's rejecting off this resistance level right here. So we can assume that price might be able to break through this support and make it a resistance, and then maybe go down as a downtrend to like somewhere this level and then continue all the way up, just like something like this. But this was like March, so yeah. Okay, now next thing is as you can see right here, I drew a liquidity line right here. So this is basically liquidity grab and then push price down, and then immediately went back up again, liquidity grab, push price down, and then this fair value gap right here, this purple block, is, a lot of people might say it's very invalid, but I think that it's actually okay because there is no, price was just consolidating in the area. Nothing was really like full on. There was no like clear movement. There was no strong movement after the fair value gap. So I would say this is now inverse fair value gap. So now price, this is what my prediction will be. Of course I'm not going to take the trade, but I'm going to follow my strategy. I'm going to wait until it's 10:30, and then I will continue with the if only I could just change the timing. Oh yeah, I can. New York. Oh yeah, so it's about, okay, yeah, 30 minutes. So okay, so I'm just gonna cut to the next clip when it's 10:30, and then I will start my trading from there. Let's go. Alright, so okay, so the London session has opened, and we can see that my fair value gap is kind of failing, so let's just delete that. But it's okay, we have plenty of fair value gaps. We have like one right here, with one right here. It's just, we have a lot of fair value gaps. This one also, it's not that bad also. We have a lot of fair value gaps. Maybe this one might be a good fair value gap. So let's just mark this one. Yep. Okay, so I'm just going to speed this video up. Once when it reaches to 11 PM, that's where I can draw my 30-minute open range breakout, and then we'll start trading from there. I'm going to be using my phone to execute the trades. I can't really show you guys, but you're going to have to trust me on this one. I could just like put a screenshot and then put it in the video, just edit it. So let's just speed this up. Yeah, always on point. It's absolutely crazy, bro. If I bought from here, right, if I place a trade here, bro, I would make at least like, I don't know, cents per pip, 20 cents per, 30 cents per pip, so it's like, wait, let me see how much I would have made from just that one trade. Oh. I would have made about $1,000. No No way. Okay, let's go to 30 minute. I don't care. Okay, that is a huge candle, man. That is such a waste. Damn. Man. Okay, now we know that it's gonna be buying pressure now. Instead of like... Just go to 5 minute now. That is freaking huge upside, bro. The candle already closed above this resistance level, so... I told you, man, my predictions. Okay. I'm just gonna watch this and, maybe in a few more minutes when I see a sign, I'll just cut to the clip where I just placed a trade. And let's see where we can go from there. Hopefully we can get a win today. This is sad, man. Like, bro, from freaking, now is at what, 682? 682, 625, that's like, about 6,000 pips, man. Come on, bro, 6,000, bro. That's $2,000. That's absolutely crazy, man. Bro, sometimes, right, like, honestly, I feel like the market's gonna manipulate me right now. They're gonna think that, like, I don't know, it's really either gonna go one way. This is such a huge breakout. Okay, let's just screenshot this and send this to my chat already. Alright. See what it says. Please stand back, bro. I'm gonna check it out. Sure, should not. So, confirmation so I don't need to pre-anticipate it. Okay, so we just delete all this. Okay, so what I want price to do right now is to actually just, like, I sort of got, I better not be predicting this shit, bro, if I do right. Okay, I'm guessing, right, it's gonna go a little bit low, and then it's gonna go back up again, or it's just gonna go down, retest this level, and then just continue down. It's either these two things that's gonna happen. I mean, technically, everyone is gonna say the same thing. Yes, it's either gonna go up or down, but doing this analysis is going to help in the long run. So let's see. I'm just gonna cut the clip right here until I see some like good confirmation, and then I'll see you guys right back. Alright, we got the alert. Okay, price is now crossing the previous day high, so this is like where the most resistance is at. So price might just break through, and if it retests, I'm just gonna go for a buy. But from what ChatGPT said, going for a buy is very risky right now. Cause let me just go back. It's quite risky. Cause if let's say just delete all these stupid lines. Okay, let's just example we go to the 4 hour time frame. We can clearly see that there is a 4 hour fair value gap. People might think, oh, fair value gap is only for 5 minutes, 15 minutes, but yeah, actually wrong. Okay, fair value gaps can actually be used anytime. A 4 hour time frame can just like be a 5 minute time frame. It's just that the higher time frames are just more accurate. That's all. So as you can see, price is actually starting to reject from this fair value gap. And because of this liquidity gap right here, price actually is pulling it up and trying to block all those sellers before actually pushing price back down again, which of course I do not know when, but if it shows a like a good breakout, okay, let's just go to the 15-minute time frame right here. So this is the fair value gap. Price is already rejecting the fair value gap. You can already see quite instant. If price can actually go down to here and then retest this resistance, it will most likely be going down. Okay, let's just delete this also. There's no need for that. So this is the only thing I'm looking for. I'm looking for sells because overall it's in a downtrend. I could go for a sell here. I feel like it's gonna be really, really risky. Like if I were to go to the 1 minute time frame right now, it's super like long day. So for it to like just jump straight down, it's gonna be quite crazy. Quite crazy. Actually, I could go for a sell. I don't know if I should, man. You know what? Let's go for a sell. But not now. I'm gonna wait for this candle to. I'm gonna wait for my 5 minute time frame first before I confirm anything. You see, there's a huge rejection. So I think this is where we can actually go for the trade. I'm gonna sell right here. I'm gonna put a lot size of 2. Sell. Okay. I'm on the 1 minute time frame. Okay. 1 minute time frame. Where am I at? Okay. I'm like somewhere here. I'm just gonna. Okay. Price is actually looking good right now. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay. No, actually I might just go for the 5 minute time frame instead. Okay, 5 minute time frame. I think I'm like somewhere. I'm just at above this point right here. Okay, so what I'm looking for is a risk to reward. Just right here. Just somewhere here. Somewhere here will be good. Just somewhere here. That's what I'm looking for. Okay, so far I'm just down $5. Where's my TP at? It is at 6667. So that is actually about $40. So if we hit this trade, we will actually just go back to where we were. Hopefully this will play out. I'm gonna set my stop loss to where that is right now. Where's my stop loss at? 6. I'm just go a bit higher a bit. Okay. So I'm risking about like $20 for about $50 on this trade. But we actually need a 1 to 3 though. Okay, fine, we'll just increase the like okay, $60. Okay. Now I'm gonna have a few take profits here. So this is a 5 minute, right? The long candle. This one. Oh. Okay, my TP is a little bit higher, so let's just increase that. Yeah, it's like about here. Okay, so we have like a 1 to 3 by 19. So hopefully we have something. Alright, let's just speed this up. Am I recording? Please tell me I'm recording. Okay, I'm recording. Alright. Trade has been entered. Looking good so far. The rejection is really there. Hopefully price will just respect the resistance and please just continue downtrend. I'm just gonna screenshot this, send this to ChatGPT real quick so that at least it knows. In for a shot. Looks like a good start. Alright. Okay, we're up $8 right now. We're risking about like $20 or 600. That's like, yeah, we can definitely get this trade. This whole, okay, I don't want to sound like really cocky right now, but I feel like this big move right here, because it's it's literally the London session, the New York session, so it could just go straight up. It really can, and it most likely will. But in my beliefs, there is so much liquidity grab here. They grab so much of the buyers. Everybody's money is right here, and then just stopped out everybody. And then I have a feeling that it really might go past so low. If let's say it goes close to my take profit, I'm going to put my stop loss and break even. That's what I'm planning to do lah. Okay, so in the live chart right now, the market is actually quite indecisive. It's really just a flat candle. It's a what's it called again? It's just an indecisive candle where it's just like a plus sign, like right here. Like that's literally a plus sign right there. So hopefully this sell retrace all the way back down here. This is a huge fair value gap, by the way. Huge fair value gap. So my take profit is actually supposed to be like right on this black line over here, but I have a feeling it might just, it might be an inverse fair value gap and just respect it. So that what I want price to do, let me just delete this. Okay, what I want price to do is to actually just like from here go down, like maybe just consolidate a bit. Okay, go down here, then retest this level and then go all the way down here, and then retest this level and then push all the way back down. That's what I'm hoping to see, because that looks like what it might be in the 1 hour time frame. Because you can see huge rejection. The candle didn't even close there. We're looking kind of good. We're $10 up. We need to at least make 40. We need to make at least $45.90 back. Hopefully, because I don't want to be greedy, I will put my stop loss to a profitable position, like somewhere okay, wait, shit, like somewhere like here, so that at least if I were to get stopped out, I would still be making money. And if I, oh my god, this is gonna be crazy. If I could actually pull my winnings all the way down here, bro, it's at least $200-300 right there in the back, bro. On God. Let's just hope this plays out. This trade might last all the way until like 1 a.m. 2 a.m. I have to wake up at like 6 a.m. tomorrow, but life is life, man. There's no such thing as easy in this shit. Oh. What I really like about, actually, okay, by the way guys, the reason why I have my webcam on is because my webcam is actually a PlayStation, it's a PS5 camera, so it doesn't work with Windows, it doesn't support it for some stupid reason. It's still a USB, but I don't know why it's not working. So, I will buy a webcam soon, so that I can show you guys my trade. Right now I'm up $7.50, that's not so bad. Honestly, I just want price to have a nice, you know, pull down. I don't want something so fast, because if it's something really very fast and like straight drop, of course I'll be very profitable and I should just definitely close the trade right now, but it could be a fake out and then it's just gonna like push price all the way back up. Like as you can see, it literally like is in the resistance there. Okay, there is no candle close above the resistance. It touched the previous day high and it also touched a 4-hour fair value gap. That is literally the sweet point of this whole entire thing. That's why I don't fully rely on the 30-minute op strategy. That's why I add like resistance, support, fair value gaps. Fair value gaps are my favorite. It's literally my favorite. Screw order blocks. Screw rely only on supply and demand. You need to have fair value gaps because fair value gaps are the essential needs for a scalper. We are now up $12. That's not so bad. My margin levels are quite safe, so we're good. And our account balance is looking quite healthy. So let's hope that we can execute this trade. I'm really not expecting to go around to here. Maybe like just 1 to 2 will do. If on the trading view chart I hit the 1 to 2, I will decrease the stop loss, and then after that I'll just increase the take profit. That's usually how, like, it's not a greedy thing. It's just so that I won't waste my efforts, because there are times where I hit my take profit and it just shoots down all the way or shoots up all the way, and I could have made like hundreds or thousands more. So yeah, it's a little bit consolidating right now. I'm not really liking this momentum. There is not a lot of selling pressure here, although that the buying pressure is gone. The selling is not there. It's literally going back up and down right now. It's kind of scary, but it's okay. If we lose this, we only lose $20, and we can 100% get it back in tomorrow's trade. But right now, $7 is not. It's not even like 2% of my capital. So I have to get at least 8 to 10%. So that's at least like $40 to $60. So a man's gotta do what a man's gotta do. I'm actually just gonna close my MetaTrader, because it's actually more faster than TradingView. Because for TradingView, especially if you're using a free account, every 5 seconds then the candle actually updates. But in the MetaTrader, it's literally every single second. So that's why I actually think that using the TradingView, because it's not, when you're using a TradingView, the candles move slower, so you will feel more safe. It won't feel so quick. What the hell is that? I don't know what the hell is it, but am I still recording? Yeah, I'm still recording. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. I really hope that we can get this, man. I really hope. I'm gonna watch this for at least 1 hour more. It's actually a good, I feel like this is actually a very good setup. I'm just gonna play this in like super speed mode. So of course, in real time, I'm like literally just staring at the screen for like 1 hour. But for you guys, it's just gonna be like less than 1 minute. So hopefully you guys can leave a like on the video. Whether it's a win or loss, any support will be an instant W. So if we hit this W in the chat, I actually wanted a live stream, but I have on YouTube Studio, but you have to like apply for it, so it takes like 24 hours. So I can only live stream tomorrow. So yeah. And when I live stream, I'll probably live stream like during the New York session or the pre-market session. Come on. This is so slow, but it's nothing, so shocking. It's kind of relaxing. I'm just gonna speed this up. Hopefully, I'm actually gonna leave the room. No, I'm actually not, I'm just gonna turn off my. I don't know. Wait, what am I saying? I'm just gonna not look at the chat. I'm just gonna watch Netflix, and I'll see you guys in like 1 more hour. What a beautiful trade! This is absolutely amazing, guys. Oh my god, no way this is actually happening. Like, damn. That is actually crazy. I think I'm already making like, I don't know, like almost $90. Oh my god, $88, that's, oh, damn. It might just, but I think I have to put my stop loss, like I have to put my take profit soon. I feel like the price might just bounce back from here. Like, look, my analysis was literally correct. It just consolidated a bit and then it just retest, which is this thing right here, retest, and then it's now pushing back down. Honestly, I think I should just close the trade here. Should I? Oh, I don't know. Okay, not. I'm closing the trade. Okay. I just made $80.50. My account is now at $642 and 48 cents. I have now closed this trade. I'm gonna delete this. Actually, no, I'm gonna screenshot this. Okay, now I delete it. And right. So that was a decent trade. I hope you guys like that video. I hope you guys like this video. And I'll see you guys tomorrow on the next trade. Hopefully we can get another W. That was a huge W. Alright, goodbye guys.